A business owner is not searching for your brand yet.
They're searching for a decision.
Marketing agency versus freelancer.
Should I hire a marketing agency?
Can I do my own marketing?
How much help do I actually need?
This is a valuable moment.
Because the buyer has not chosen a provider.
They're choosing a path.
And most business websites pretend the other paths don't exist.
That's a missed opportunity. I'm Kristina. This is the Lumin Signal, the daily marketing podcast from Lumin Marketing Group.
And I'm Evan.
Today we're talking about comparison content.
Specifically, how to help a buyer compare agency, freelancer, and DIY marketing support without turning the page into a sales trap.
The line for today is this.
A comparison page shouldn't crown your offer. It should help the buyer choose honestly.
Comparison searches are high intent because the buyer is already sorting trade-offs.
They're not only asking who exists.
They're asking, which kind of help fits my situation?
That question is extremely relevant for Lumin.
Because not every business needs a full marketing partner today.
Some need one project.
Some need a freelancer.
Some need a better internal process.
Some need an agency because the work crosses strategy, website, content, AI support, creative, and reporting.
If your website can't say that honestly, buyers may not trust the parts you do say.
Nielsen-Norman Group's guidance on comparison tables is useful here.
Comparison tables help people evaluate options across attributes.
But the table only works if the attributes are real.
Not just a fake chart where your offer gets all the check marks.
We have all seen that page.
Option 1, everyone else, sad face.
Option 2, us fireworks.
That's not comparison.
That's a sales poster wearing a spreadsheet costume.
A helpful comparison starts with respect for the buyer.
So let's define the options.
Agency is usually a better fit when the business needs a connected system.
Strategy, creative, website, content, campaigns, measurement, and accountability.
It's also useful when the owner is tired of managing disconnected contractors.
The trade-off is cost and commitment.
An agency may not be the right first step if the business has no offer clarity, no budget, or only needs one tiny task.
Freelancer is often a better fit when the scope is narrow.
One designer.
One copywriter.
One editor.
One ad specialist.
The trade-off is coordination.
If the business owner has to become the strategist, project manager, editor, and quality control person, the lower price may come with hidden work.
DIY is often a good fit when the business is early, learning, testing, or has more time than budget.
The trade-off is consistency and expertise.
DIY can build useful understanding.
But it can also turn into half-finished systems, inconsistent visuals, and content that never connects to sales.
A fair comparison page says all of that.
It doesn't shame the buyer.
It doesn't pretend the cheapest path is foolish.
And it doesn't pretend the agency path is always right.
The page should compare on attributes that matter.
Scope.
Speed.
Strategy depth.
Creative quality.
Coordination load.
Budget pattern.
Ongoing support.
Risk.
Next step.
Nielsen-Norman Group also warns that when differences are implied or buried, people can misunderstand their choices.
That's exactly what happens in marketing.
A buyer thinks they're comparing price.
But they're actually comparing responsibility.
Who owns the plan?
Who keeps the brand consistent?
Who connects the website to the content?
Who notices when the offer is unclear?
Who measures whether the work is useful?
Those differences need to be explicit.
A helpful comparison page can even say, choose a freelancer if you already have a strategy and need a specialist to execute one piece.
Choose DIY if you're validating an offer and need to learn your audience before investing.
Choose an agency if the marketing problem crosses multiple parts of the business and you need a coordinated system.
Notice what that does.
It builds trust.
Because the business is willing to name when it's not the right fit.
That makes the right fit buyer feel safer.
It also creates better leads.
Because someone who contacts you after reading a fair comparison is more likely to understand the trade-offs.
They may still have questions.
Good.
Questions are not the enemy.
Confusion is,
let's build the page out loud.
the opening shouldn't say agencies are better.
It should name the buyer's decision.
Something like if you're deciding between hiring a freelancer, doing marketing yourself, or working with an agency, the right answer depends on scope, budget, internal time, and how connected the work needs to be.
That sentence respects the buyer.
It also tells search systems exactly what question the page answers. Then give the buyer a quick decision guide.
Choose DIY if you're still validating the offer, learning what your audience responds to, and can afford to move slower.
Choose a freelancer if the need is specific and you already know what good looks like.
Choose an agency if the problem crosses multiple disciplines and someone needs to own the whole system.
That's not the whole page.
It's a map.
Buyers need a map before they need details.
Then the comparison table earns its keep.
One row for strategy.
With DIY, strategy is usually the owner's job.
With a freelancer, strategy may be included only if that freelancer offers it.
With an agency, strategy should be part of the engagement.
One row for coordination.
DIY means you coordinate everything.
Freelancers may require you to manage several specialists.
Agencies should reduce coordination load, though they still need timely feedback.
One row for brand consistency.
DIY can work if you have clear rules.
Freelancers can be excellent, but they need direction.
Agencies should protect the whole brand system across website, content, campaigns, and reporting.
One row for cost.
DIY often costs less cash and more time.
Freelancers often sit in the middle depending on skill and scope.
Agencies usually cost more because the engagement includes a team, process, and accountability.
That's not bad.
It's a trade-off.
Now add scenarios.
Scenario 1.
A new founder with an untested offer and limited budget.
DIY with a clear roadmap may be the smartest first move.
Maybe a short strategy session.
Maybe a starter website.
Maybe a few buyer interviews before a big campaign.
Scenario 2.
An established business needs product photos, one landing page, or a short video.
A freelancer may be perfect.
The scope is clear.
The handoff is manageable.
Scenario 3.
A service business has confusing messaging, an outdated website, inconsistent content, no clear sales follow-up, and wants AI support without sounding generic.
That's not one task.
That's a system problem.
That's where an agency like Lumin can be the better fit.
The honesty is what makes the page powerful.
A comparison page that says, hire us no matter what, feels defensive.
A page that says, here is when we're right, here is when we're not, feels confident.
Confident is not the same as aggressive.
Confident means you understand your own lane.
This also helps with sales conversations.
If a buyer says, why would I not just hire a freelancer? You don't have to treat the question as an attack.
You can say you absolutely can if the scope is narrow and you're ready to manage the strategy.
If what you need is one designer, that may be right.
If what you need is a connected plan across messaging, website, content, and follow-up, then the freelancer path may put too much management back on you.
That's a calmer conversation.
It also filters better.
There's a content advantage too.
A comparison page can become multiple assets.
A website section,
A sales email,
a social carousel,
a short video,
a podcast episode.
a proposal appendix.
This is exactly how Lumin thinks about useful content.
One strong answer.
Many useful placements.
No filler required.
One caution before the tool.
Do not make the comparison page about fear.
Do not say DIY will fail.
Do not say freelancers are unreliable.
Do not say agencies are automatically strategic.
Bad work exists in every category.
Good work exists in every category.
The useful question is fit.
What does the business need owned?
What can the owner realistically manage?
What happens if the work is delayed, disconnected, or unclear?
That's the honest conversation buyers are already trying to have. Tool of the day, a buyer option matrix.
Make 8 columns.
Option,
Best fit.
not a fit.
Cost pattern.
Speed.
Support level.
Risk.
Next step.
Fill it for agency, freelancer, and DIY.
Then turn the clearest row into a website section or sales follow-up.
I can help draft the matrix.
But a human has to make the trade-offs honest. Today's small action?
Write 3 columns, agency, freelancer, and DIY.
Under each, list when that option is a good fit, when it's risky, and what the buyer should have ready.
That's the start of a comparison page people actually need.
If you want help turning messy marketing questions into a clearer website, stronger content, and a more useful buyer path, Lumin Marketing Group can help.
Tomorrow, how to talk about marketing pricing without scaring away serious buyers or pretending every project costs the same.
Thank you for listening to the Lumin Signal.
Produced by Lumin Marketing Group.
We will see you tomorrow.